What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on that post notifications. Having that said, I don't know if you guys could tell, but I'm pretty excited. My wheels finally came in. After constantly talking to fitment industry, shout out to them, they finally shipped the wheels. A quick update on the intake. It gave me a check engine light. I didn't think I really had to tune the car, but I have to tune the car. Basically, give me some codes. I scanned the car, then they said that too much air is going out and not much fuel. That I basically have to tune the car. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. Do all those things, and let's get to it. So now that we have the car wash done, we're gonna go to the tire shop and see if we get the wheels on. See you guys there. After 4 tire shops, we finally found one that has the rear ones, but we're gonna keep the same tires for the front. Guys, so look, these are the old lug nuts. They're already beat up. These are the new ones I was telling you guys about. It's gonna look nice and crispy. You got the R1 concept rotors and the Dreamville calipers. I'm supposed to clean these, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little lazy, so we're probably gonna do it for the next video and actually put the Dreamville logo on it. They're actually real Dreamvilles. Look, it says so right here, but they're actually real. So I was telling you guys, it came with the new lug nuts and its own like lock key. And then these are the spacers. Shout out to Victoria Tires and Wheels, man, because I was all over the place looking for these tires and they're hooking me up, so shout out to them. I'm gonna wait to show you guys the wheels, but Jesus, what a difference. Oh yeah, we're actually gonna take these off too, because we need to repaint them. Excuse the mess. We need to repaint them and they're already getting chipped. Can't really see, but we're gonna take these off, put the new wheels on, and then see how it comes out. So from what he was telling me, I'm gonna have to get different type of spacers, simply because it's gonna be sticking out too much. Look, guys, these look so small without the tires. Might actually go to AutoZone to get some like thinner spacers, simply because the wheel cap comes out with these spacers. I don't think these are gonna do much difference, but I did have these thin ones, and then look at the big ones I had compared to the ones I had back then. Maybe this is enough for the wheel cap to not fall off. About to see right now. The wheel cap on this does not. I need to get new spacers, but I'm gonna give these spacers to my friend. That way this could be a good fitment, because his wheels are stuck in, so you know. We're about to go pick up Sebastian because he's gonna go with me to AutoZone and get some spacers, and then I'm gonna see his reaction on the wheels. What do you think, bro?
Dude, that's so nice. Wow.
Hey, that fitment though. That fitment though. My boy got that Roush. Roush. There's no way I gapped them, bro. There's no way. Nah, I'm saying, you guys know I won't gap that.
Damn, that's thick. It's 1/4.
Look at that Lambo, bro. Alright, guys. So we ended up getting these. They're a little more thicker than the ones I have on right now. And it's simply because the wheel cap falls off. And it just irks me. I'm one of those people that I like to see them good. We ended up putting spacers on his car. On one side, though. He has my old spacers, though. Look at this thing, guys. No quema. These are the ones we bought. They're a little thick. These are the ones I had, the thin ones. I need something a little more thicker than this. Not as much. So no AutoZone had them, but we found a tire shop that had the same ones I had. So we're basically gonna stack 2 in each wheel and hope for the best.
Oh, bad camera work. Whoops.
Moment of truth. Yeah! Shit fit, bro. Imagine that shit pops out when I put the rest.
You look like you got bananas in there.
I know, bro. So now we gotta take these off, which I kind of don't want to, but I kind of do. Oh my god, dude. That shit's tan, bro. I need it.
That's crazy because I don't even remember how this part looks for my car either.
I'm surprised this shit hasn't fallen off. Look, it's like.
It was about to.
Yeah, it was.
Damn.
Honestly, like every time I drive, this would just like.
That's annoying.
Yeah, I have to like. Take them off.
That's crazy.
Looks different, huh?
Already, yeah. How long have you had them on? That's the craziest part.
Like a year or two?
No way, for real?
A year or two?
Only like a year or two?
Only. Like, I'm joking, bro. Hold up. That's all?
Yeah, that's what you needed.
Jesus!
Dude, look at your back tint. No way. I have.
How much do you think they'll charge me to,
Oh, this. Yeah, this one's.
Honestly, bro, I feel like I could tint it myself. I'm a tint it myself.
Yeah.
I do everything
You do
myself,
everything
bro.
yourself, yeah.
Alright, guys, we finally finished putting the wheel caps on. We took off the louvers on the side and the one in the back. What do you think, Silas? Way better?
I mean, I feel like you still need to get rid of
The spoiler?
Yeah.
Well, you guys will see the car in a bit. I'm gonna get some shots for you guys. But I mean, it looks different. It looks more sleek. I like it a lot, though. I'm not gonna lie. Still can't get over the fact how it looks. It looks so like simple but clean and sharp at the same time. Let me show you guys.